Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. You're watching the business writing skills tutorial, and in this video you will learn about report writing. Now, before learning the format and how to write a report, let's see what is report writing. A report is a short and concise document which is written for a particular purpose. We generally write a report to lead people through the information in a structured way. It is written in a proper format so that it enables people to find the information that people want quickly and easily. As it is written in a structured way, anybody can find information quickly and easily. It generally analyzes a situation or problem, often making recommendations for future action. Generally, reports are not written for a particular purpose, they also write recommendations for the problems arise. They analyze the situation and write the solutions for it. Now, let's see the parts of a business report. There are 7 parts of a business report. It starts with executive summary, then followed by table of contents, introduction, body, conclusion, references, appendices. In this way, these 7 parts should be written in the sequence given so that you can write a report easily. Format of report writing. Now, the 7 steps, as I told you, other parts should be written in this format. Title section. It includes the table of contents and definitions of terms used. Summary. An overview of all relevant information on major points, conclusions, and recommendations. Then it is followed by introduction. Introduction specifies the reason the report was written and the problem it addresses. Followed by body. The main section of the report is the body. Then comes conclusion. The summary of all the important points of the report is written under conclusion. Recommendations. As I told you before, a report mainly writes recommendations, that is, the actions to be followed in an increasing order of priority. Appendices. It is the end of the report. Appendices are the technical details and facts to support your conclusions. I hope you understood that these 7 parts should be written in the particular format given on your screen. Now, if you have any queries, you can see the example in the next video. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned with our channel. Also, you can follow us on social media handles like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, where you can write no to word and follow easily. If you have any queries regarding this video or any video of our channel, you can email us your query at nerdtoword@gmail.com or comment in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching Nursery to Varsity. Thank you.